communities.
Right. Well, nobody wants the failed moment. And there are some communities who are really concerned about the potential resident being successful. One in particular, we had a conversation with, and she said, based upon where he is at this point, I don't know that he could be successful in independent living. That's where he wants to go. It's a little less expensive. We're going to try it there, but we're going to keep an eye on him. And if it's not the right move, then we have to go to assisted. Okay, so that's really, really important. The communities are often concerned with, their census, making sure that they have folks that are coming in, but also they need to be concerned about, and most of them are, about retention, because it's great to get somebody to move in, but you want to retain them. So many of the things that I do to help with that is ask the right questions, but I also help them with the sale of the property, because the property can be sold in a variety of different ways. My goal is to maximize how much that property is sold for, because that helps with retention, and that helps the older adult be able to afford to live there longer. And even if they have a ton of money, that money's still important.
Well, you can know how much money you have. What you don't know is how long you're going to need it.
Right.